Hello, welcome to How to Automotive. Today's video is about an update that I wanted to give you guys that I got an event coming up next month. In June, I'm going to the Milwaukee Tools New Tools Symposium. So that's an invite-only event where they invite a few media people to come down and experience all the brand new tools that are coming out for the new year. So I wanted to make this video and ask you guys if you have any comments or questions for the engineers, the staff of Milwaukee Tools, any cool ideas, so leave those down in the description of the video, and I'll see if what I can relate back to the engineers and the president of the company, whoever I run across at Milwaukee Tools Symposium. So maybe you guys can have some improvements for some current tools, or maybe some new tool ideas that would be great, especially for the automotive industry. They don't have a whole lot of people representing the automotive industry. When I went last year, there was 160 people invited, and there was only about 6 or 7 of us representing automotive, and all the rest was all either electrical, plumbing, carpentry, that type of stuff, because they make the majority of their tools are those type of tools. But the automotive side of the tools is growing, and so if you guys have any ideas or tips for the Milwaukee Tools, let me know, and I'll forward that to the engineers. So if you're in the Milwaukee area on June 5th through the 7th, I'll be in the area, so you can get a hold of me through Instagram at the How to Automotive Instagram page. Just message me and maybe we can do a meetup or something like that. So let me know what your thoughts are. Leave those comments down in the description of the video about the Milwaukee Tools, and thank you guys for watching.